California tornado, US braces for first-time fire tornado. Fire tornado has surfaced on the internet. First shared by Veronica Miracle on Twitter, the video captures a burning tornado making its way through Los Angeles. Forest fires have accelerated in California, with flames engulfing 10,000 acres of the land in Angeles National Forest near Lake Hughes, and necessary evacuations have been placed. In the 22-second video, a colossal tornado could be seen emerging from Lake Fire and making its way to the Lake Hughes in rural Los Angeles County. A rare, fiery tornado was spotted in California on Saturday near the Nevada border, where a large wildfire and excessive temperatures created a perfect, but dangerous, storm. The fire tornado, or firenado, prompted a tornado warning from the National Weather Service in Reno shortly before 3 p.m. near the Loyalton Fire, which started in Sierra County in the Tahoe National Forest. The Reno office of the National Weather Service warned Northern California of a fiery tornado Saturday afternoon that had sprung up near a large, fast-moving wildfire in the Sierra. It's probably the first time it's been issued outside of a thunderstorm environment, Hochman said. Just before 3 p.m., Hochman, working from the Reno Forecast Office, observed a cloud forming in Lassen County by the 2,300-acre wildfire which started in Sierra County in the Tahoe National Forest. He and his colleagues knew it was capable of forming into a tornado and spreading fire around the area.
Got a fire tornado forming there. Wind's really picking up. This just spotted out of nowhere. I don't know if you guys can hear the fire. Do you hear that?
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to us on YouTube. If you like, donate to us, visit home on the page PayPal.